Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about my the photos that I took for this class. So um the first photo I took was this photo. This is the edited version of the photo. And here is the unedited version. Yeah, this is the unedited one. So all I really did was like just mess with the colors. I saturated it more, increased the vibrance, a little bit of texture for the walls and stuff like that. The ISO for this image is 100, aperture is 4.0, and shutter speed is 1 of 400. The next image I have is a church building that I took. So here's the church. It was rather cloudy outside, honestly, so I ended up adjusting the ISO. Well, I didn't really adjust the ISO, but I adjusted the setting on my camera to like where it was cloudy. But I love the ISO at 100 anyway because I was going to adjust it. So the aperture is 4.0 and the shutter speed is 1 of 1000. Probably because it was really cloudy and dark this day. And this is the edited version. I just increased the vibrancy and the I took away some of the shadowing just to I guess take out like the most shadowy parts because of the clouds and stuff like that, and I dehazed it on camera raw. I'm not really sure what dehazing like it was really supposed to do, but like I like the way it looked. So and then here's the old, not the old, the unedited version. As you can see, it's a little bit more darker than the other photo. Yeah, you can see that I just changed the vibrancy and like I guess like the saturation and stuff like that. So the next building, the next building I have is this one. The ISO is 100, aperture is 5.0, and the shutter speed was 1 of 500. In this one I also adjusted the saturation, and I did a little bit of I like adjusted the hue and some of the colors around there, took away most of the shadowing, so it kind of looks like it's more vibrant. And the old version was this one. As you can see, the colors are more vibrant in this photo, but I tried to keep it to where I mean it still kept its same color, but just I guess more brighter, as if the clouds weren't covering the color itself. So there's that. And I have another one. It's an old house. An old house. Once again, I adjusted the vibrancy and I adjusted the exposure level, saturation, and stuff like that. I also I guess adjusted the highlight and shadows in this one too, because here's the original image and there's not really much. I mean, there's not really much of a difference, maybe other than the vibrancy. That's really all I have to say about this photo. But the ISO was 100, aperture was 5.0, and shutter speed was 1 of 80. So this is all I have. Well, thank you all for listening. That's all I have. Thank you.